Hi everyone, this is V with Real Journal Talk, and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, I am going to be using my daily life planner, and I am going to be setting out what I need to do for this week, which is for the week of August the 7th through the 13th. This has actually been a rough week between work, um, just not feeling good, and etc. But I wanted to go ahead and try to get this weekly plan out uploaded. So what I'm doing is I'm basically just going to be using the text format in GoodNotes to do this planner. I'm going to be actually just typing in what I need to do, things that I need to remember, that's important prior to me going out on vacation, because I will be going out on vacation next week. So I wanted to make sure I did some things before I went out, so that way when I'm out of the office, I don't have to focus on those household items that I want to get done. I can just actually take the time to relax, get myself together before I go back to work. Even though this year, I don't know why. I don't know about in your school district if you have kids, but this year they decided to let our kids go back on the 17th. And for 20 something years, um my kids has always gone back to school at the end of August. So it's a little disappointing, because I usually try to do a birthday week celebration out of town, getaway or something, just because it's my time. And unfortunately, because the kids are going back to school early, I didn't feel the need to do anything, because I would be rushing within a 3-day window to try to get them back prepared for school. My kids are actually in a virtual academy, so they are actually remote, but I have to still pick up their Chromebooks for them to be set up, get all that straight, make sure they have their supplies, some clothes. So it's just going to be a rough week. But I wanted to go ahead and just set this up, show you guys how I do use this life planner. I have did some videos in the past, but I've been away for a couple of months. So I just want to reiterate, for those who have not watched any of my videos and that are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And for those who are returning, thanks for returning and supporting the channel. But I just want to show you all how I use this life planner in a digital format. And so sometimes if I see different shop sellers on Etsy or something that may be selling some type of stickers or kit, I'll go on there and support the small businesses, business owners. So that way, it's always good to support small business owners instead of always just supporting the corporate stores. But sometimes in these videos you may see where I am using some decor for setting up my planner, just so it's not always plain. But that's about it. I just wanted to go ahead and get this video out there. Just a quick plan with me for the week of August the 7th through the 13th. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.